Hello, my name is Brian. I'm going to show you how to get the money which is on hold fast. Okay. It's something which is experienced by, it can be experienced by anyone, even if your PayPal account is new, even if your PayPal account is old. I myself have some money on PayPal hold. So I'm going to show you in case you have the money on hold, how do you do? Okay. And there are basically two things. First of all, you have to go to that transaction, mark it as processed. If you haven't done that, you as the receiver, you have to do some action. But the most big part has to be done by the sender. Actually, I'm going to show it to you. So someone sent me this money, like that is like $45. So when someone sends you the money, usually here there is something like shipped or something. You have to make sure like you click on shipped, then you say processed. It's something which I did some time ago. So for me, I don't have that option for now. Okay, but for you, if you have just got a payment and you have that option, you work on it. After that, you tell a sender to confirm the payment. Okay. Now, since I'm going to demonstrate that on a payment which I've sent to someone, and this is the payment. I sent a payment of $15, but the person has told me like the payment is on hold. Okay, so me as the sender now have to go on that transaction again, and I look for a button called confirm shipment received. So me as a sender, I have to say, okay, PayPal, look here. I send this money and I'm satisfied someone has delivered. Then I have to click on confirm shipment. So when I say confirm shipment received, the receiver will receive this money to reflect directly in his account. Okay. But the receiver on the other side has to go on the shipment, I've has told you, it has to go on that order. Then it says, it chooses order processed. So there are two things which have to be done. The receiver has to go on that transaction, looks for option which says order shipped, okay, or order processed, but it's usually order shipped. Then PayPal will take you another page. Then you say order processed. Don't say there's another option which says shipment something received. So it's better if you say order processed, because if you say shipment processed, like they may ask you for shipment details, unless you're shipping something really. But these are more like services. So the receiver, I have to say you process the order. Then the sender has to come here and says confirm shipment received. So when I click confirm shipment received, they're going to tell me by confirming the order, you acknowledge you have received the items and you're satisfied with the condition. Please note, you may not be able to raise a dispute against the order and funds will be settled with the sender. So I have to confirm. So me, the sender, if I confirm, it is confirmed that I'm satisfied with this order which I made to this gentleman. The gentleman, in his account, the money will be will come from the hold to available. Okay. Now, in case the sender is not technical or kind of it can't be reachable, the situation, you as the receiver, you're going to have to wait a bit. Okay, it's something which I'm also having. I'm going to show it to you briefly. But before I leave this page, you realize if I confirm receipt, that button will go away. Now, what if you don't have that button? It will mean you can't do anything. Not everyone has that confirm receipt received. So if you go and you realize you don't have confirm receipt received, it means you can't do anything. So the receiver has to just wait for the maximum days. That's usually 21 days, the maximum. Sometimes it's like 3 days or 7 days, but the maximum is like 21 days. So in my case, also the sender who sent the money, this for 42 days, I've already shown it's processed. Just I've told you, like, there are two parts. Me, the receiver, I said it's processed, but the send actually is kind of what can I say? It, it made this part, then it's done. So I told him, like, do this and this, but some people are non-technical, some people are busy. So in case your sender is busy, unfortunately, you have to wait for that payment to develop for maximum 21 days. Okay. Yes, maximum 21 days. So this is a payment. It was saying 21st November. That was last month. I think it's coming to almost a week. Okay. And the funny thing, if you click on it, it will show you, like, after me saying it's order process, it told me, like, I'll get it within like 1 day. But unfortunately, it has not been bad. It has been more than 1 day. So it means if that is the case, you just have to wait. And it may take me maximum 21 days. And also the sender has nothing to do about that. Okay. So sometimes you just have to wait. Sometimes the sender can just click on confirm and you get your payment. Thank you for watching. Please give me a subscription. In the next video, I'm going to discuss different things which are found in the PayPal, some things which people have never realized. They have menus, but they don't know what's up in what those menus can do, what those items can do. Some people just use the PayPal to send and receive, but actually there's more to that in PayPal. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss about that, and have a nice day. Thank you.